Moving on to the Punjab Cabinet swearing-in ceremony that is to take place at 4:30 p.m. Chief Minister Charanjit Singh Channi's cabinet has been finalized. Swearing in to take place this evening, and according to sources, 5 ministers from the previous cabinet are being dropped. They've begun to vacate their official residences. Balbir Singh Sidhu and Shyam Sundar have vacated their official residences already. So 5 Punjab MLAs have written to Punjab Congress President Navjot Singh Sidhu to also drop Rana Gurjeet's name from the cabinet. These are, of course, details we're picking up ahead of the swearing-in ceremony. Amandeep is also joining us live. Amandeep, now certain MLAs have levelled allegations of corruptions against Rana Gurjeet, and that's one bit of information that we are picking up and we're focusing on. But there's also more information coming in on how another MLA has written to Sonia Gandhi to drop the names of people who are already holding positions in the Congress party. Can you tell us more on that?
Well, exactly, Christine. Many developments just because Congress party have no control on their own MLAs. In fact, 5 MLAs wrote to Navjot Singh Sidhu to drop the name of Rana Gurjeet. Soon after that, another MLA, Parminder Pinky, he was write to Sonia Gandhi to kindly reduce those names who are already holding the positions in PPCC. And in fact, 2 working presidents, Kuljit Nagra, Sangat Singh Giljia, both the names are already up for the cabinet ministry. And in fact, PPCC General Secretary Pargat Singh, his name was also cropped up for the ministry. And in fact, now Pinky is coming up to reduce these names just because they are already holding these positions. And ahead of this, Christine, this is not only the end of this entire tussle. Now, 2 ministers who were dropped in Channi's cabinet, who were the ministers in Captain's cabinet, Balbir Singh Sidhu and Gurpreet Singh Kangar, they are going to hold a press conference very soon against this entire issue. And in fact, one after another infighting and tussle is cropping up, and in fact it is in the public domain. Everything is happening. Everything is just getting towards the disaster in the Congress party, the way they were dealing with their own MLAs. And in fact, every single MLA was coming up with his own voice and demand. Congress party has no control on their own MLAs. They are not able to finalize the list and announce it officially hours before the cabinet oath-taking ceremony. This is all happening in the Punjab Congress since they have pulled down Captain Amrinder Singh as a chief minister and appointed Charanjit Singh Channi as a chief minister. They are not able to finalize the cabinet, and this cabinet will serve only for 2 to 3 months only. This is the time period for that cabinet, and still they are not able to finalize the names, and they are not able to officially announce the names of that 15 cabinet ministers just because already 3 are designated, 1 chief minister and 2 deputy chief ministers. Only 18 persons can stay in the cabinet ministry in Punjab out of 117 assembly seats. Lot of complication and lot of tussle is in the public domain in Punjab. Today's day is another happening day for the Punjab Congress and Punjab government. The way the MLAs are now coming up with their own demand. Somebody is demanding for the cabinet. Somebody wanted to reduce the name from the cabinet. Somebody again wanted to reduce the names from the cabinet, and now former cabinet ministers are coming up with the press conference against those whose name has been so far finalized by the Congress party. And the most important and interesting angle in this entire episode is, Christine, that Rahul Gandhi, Charanjit Singh Channi, KC Venugopal, they all held marathon meetings to decide the cabinet, new cabinet of Charanjit Singh Channi. When the 5 names of existing ministers were reduced, that was finalized by Rahul Gandhi himself. When the new names has been proposed and stamped, that was also finalized by the Rahul Gandhi. And in fact, now when things are turning upside down, again there is no control in the party. Now MLAs who have written against Rana Gurjeet to reduce his name, they went to Navjot Singh Sidhu's residence in Patiala to meet him to raise the demand. And in fact, on the other side, Charanjit Singh Channi, who is the current Chief Minister of Punjab, he is into a very complicated situation that nobody knows now. Christine, the situation on the ground is that no MLA knows that who is going to take oath at 4:30. Only then it will be able to make it public that who will be the cabinet ministers. So on one hand, certain
MLAs want that Rana Gurjeet's name is dropped from the proposed cabinet, and on the other hand, another MLA has shot a letter to Sonia Gandhi hours before the swearing-in ceremony the infighting is escalating only, Amandeep. And, one thing is very clear. There's no consensus whatsoever since a long time now. Be it about choosing the state chief a while back, then finally Navjot Singh Sidhu's name came in. That was, of course, opposed by Captain Amrinder Singh. He settled for that. Then we saw how, in a dramatic turn of events, Captain Amrinder Singh was prompted to resign. Choosing the next CM was also very chaotic for the Congress party. And now confusion continues when it comes to, induction of these ministers in the cabinet.
Well, exactly, Christine. Since the appointment of Navjot Singh Sidhu as a PPCC president, Congress is actually in a thick soup, not able to take a tough call or a hard decision to finalize the names. First, Navjot Singh Sidhu, then its Chief Minister Charanjit Singh Channi. Earlier, Sukhjinder Randhawa's name was cropped up for the Chief Minister of Punjab. His name was all of a sudden dropped by the evening Channi announced. And then later on, two Deputy Chief Ministers. In fact, one Sukhjinder Singh Randhawa and one name was Brahm Mahindra that was proposed initially. Just minutes before the oath-taking ceremony of Chief Minister and Deputy Chief Minister, Brahm Mahindra's name was dropped and OP Soni, Om Prakash Soni, all of a sudden came and took the oath as a Deputy Chief Minister. And now, when 15 ministers has been finalized, 7 new faces, 5 old faces has been reduced. Still, they are not able to finalize that who are the 15 names that are going to take oath today itself. There are certain voices are coming against the existing proposed list. Yes, Christine.
Absolutely. We're picking up a few reactions as well, Amandeep, of who could be inducted, who could be replaced. One such reaction coming in from Raja Waring, who's in fact taking pride in what's happening in the Congress and saying that this is just an example of how everyone is given the freedom to raise their voice and opinion within the Congress. Let's listen in and then I'll come back to you.
So there is no official confirmation yet, but हाँ मेरे को उम्मीद है आप लोगों से पता चला है कुछ इधर उधर से पता चला है कि कुछ अच्छा होने वाला है, लेकिन there is no official confirmation yet.
एंड इनफैक्ट वड़िंग साहब काफ़ी नाम जो है वो ऊपर नीचे चल रहे हैं. पहले नाम चल रहा था कि काका रणदीप नाभा भी कैबिनेट मिनिस्टर हो सकते हैं. अब बोल रहे हैं कि राणा गुरजीत के खिलाफ 6 MLAs ने चिट्ठी लिख दी है नवजोत सिंह सिद्धू को. क्या चल रहा है ये कैबिनेट में भी इतनी फ्लक्चुएशंस?
यार ये तो चलना चाहिए. हर व्यक्ति का हक बनता है मंत्री बनने का. मैं भी 4.5 साल से इंतजार कर रहा हूँ. हर व्यक्ति को लगता है कि मैं मंत्री बन जाऊँ. 80 लोग जीते हैं. क्या उनका ये सोचना कि मैं मंत्री बन जाऊं ये सही नहीं है? बिल्कुल उनको सोचना चाहिए. हर बंदा ट्राई करता है. जहां तक अब 6 बंदों के नाम लिखने की बात करते हैं, कोई कह रहा है 7 ने लिख दिए, कोई कहता है 6 ने लिख दिए. कोई ऑफिशियल कंफर्मेशन नहीं है और ये सब अंदाजे लगाए जा रहे हैं कि किसी ने लिख दिया. और हाँ, अगर लिख भी दिया तो मेरे को नहीं लगता. हर बंदे का हक है अपनी बात कहने का. उसने पार्टी हाईकमांड को कोई बात कही होगी, वो मानी जाए नहीं मानी जाए ये हाईकमांड ने देखना है. तो मेरे को लगता कोई डिस्प्यूट नहीं, कोई झगड़ा नहीं है. हाँ, मंत्री बनने की हर एक की इच्छा रहती है, चाहे कोई फर्स्ट टाइमर है, चाहे कोई 4 टाइमर है. हर बंदे को लगता है कि दैट आई एम द बेस्ट परफॉर्मर. पर 18 लोग बनने हैं. 18 लोगों में से सोनिया गांधी और राहुल गांधी जी ने चयन करना है. मुख्यमंत्री साहब ने देखना है कि किन किन को बनाना है. क्या करें? अगर 80 बनने हो तो सबको बना दिया जाए.
वड़िंग साहब, बहुत सी मीटिंग्स हुई, दिल्ली में भी हुई, वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग के जरिए भी हुई, कल रात को भी मिडनाइट तक वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग के जरिए मीटिंग हुई. ऑफिशियल लिस्ट क्यों नहीं आ पा रही है? क्यों ये नाम इतने फ्लक्चुएट कर रहे हैं? क्योंकि जिस तरह से चरणजीत सिंह चन्नी का नाम ऑफिशियली अनाउंस कर दिया गया था कि वो हमारे मुख्यमंत्री होंगे, इस तरह से ऑफिशियल लिस्ट क्यों नहीं आ पा रही है अभी?
चरणजीत चन्नी का नाम पे भी तो टाइम लगे थे. सो आई थिंक दिस इज वेरी गुड इन कांग्रेस पार्टी कि वो सबके विचार सुनती है. इफ आई हैव अ ऑब्जेक्शन ऑन समथिंग तो वो मेरे भी विचार सुनने के लिए तैयार है कि बताओ भाई व्हाट इज योर ऑब्जेक्शन. ये दूसरी पार्टी में नहीं. आप